What's up, YouTube? Today we went 2 for 3, going big win, little loss. That's how we do it over here at Stock Method. Take a look.
To the parking garage. I don't live in a house.
Oh.
I live in a little condominium.
I was working in the lab.
With a monster man. Do you live where other people live? That's a weird way to put it. That is the weirdest way to put it, but yeah.
Bro, is Violet going crazy or something?
Yeah, it's dropping. Bro, this is...
What?
That is such an odd... That's such a...
Yo!
You're in those?
I'm out. I'm fucking out. What the hell? Damn candle jumped off the screen. Here's the why. All right, here's the first 2 plays this morning. I'm not going to edit all this, but we're going to break it down. Rushed up off the open here. Didn't really find any kind of an entry, so I didn't want to chase anything. Same with on the way down. You knew reversal had to be coming sometime soon, but there was no entry for me anyway, so I didn't get anywhere here. But when we bounced this pre-market high, which is the 427, it looked pretty good for a reversal down here once we got these reactions. So it was just about finding the entry. So once we got this bounce down here and we cleared this high of this candle right here, I got in, got a trim here, and then it was just kind of slow going sideways. So once we got back up over here, I just took more trims, more and more trims as we were just kind of holding. Just going sideways. Just felt like a super long trade for our style of trading. These were all in the teens here, and this was the high teens right there. But I was mostly out at this point here, and then break even once this hit down here as it rushed down. Coming back down to this 427, the pre-market high right here, we wanted to break to the downside. So I got in here, took it down, and we were just sitting sideways for these few minutes right here. So I just ended up trimming half once we got down here, about 10%. And then we came up here, I had my stop loss break even button set, but then I canceled it thinking it was going to reject and come back down. So I wanted to give it room. And then I just let it go all the way up here. Basically, it wiped out all my gains that I had here. And the other half of the position that I had left went -10. So we were basically break even, but after commissions, and we were a little bit negative on that. Small percentage, but a small loss, but definitely a dumb loss on my part. It should have been half out of 10% and then break even. You know, it should have been something, but yeah, that's my fault there. Moving over to the best play of the day. Lander and the team all caught this SPY trade right here. We broke this high right here in the 70s up through 428 and beyond. I slept on it. I just totally missed it. You know, I wanted to anticipate right here. That was the plan. A lot of the guys got in here right when we broke the 80s. You know, a lot of the people took the 428, but everyone banked on it. And I just saw it go by. It just went without me. You know, it happens sometimes. Everyone printed on it though. The chat lit up. It was cool. I was just the biggest cheerleader for everybody right there, but I didn't get a piece of it. But you know, that's trading. It happens. Moving up here, we got up to Lander's zone. Started getting some rejections. Looked really good for a reversal at some point. Just had to find our entry again. Could have took it straight off there, but that's just being a hero really, you know, because it could have just ripped up through the zone right there, you know, so I didn't want to take it too soon. Could have even took it right there, but by at that point, we're already at 429 right here. So I was like, I'll just take the 429 break after it rejected off this zone. Got that 429, kind of stalled. It did shoot up here. I got -9%. I was almost stopped. I was just about to stop right here. My stop really was right there. Like, look at that kind of price action, like right in this area right here. So 12 or so, just right in that area. I mean, I wicked. I was about to stop. Another penny or two, I would have stopped myself if DAS didn't stop me already. But I was at 9% here looking back on the recording, but I wasn't going to get out until we got just a little bit higher, just right in that area, but I was damn close. And that would have really sucked too, because we flushed. Started moving down here, but it was slow. And we just had this little downtrend going on right here. So I wanted to stay really patient. Didn't take anything off here. And then once this candle opened, we just absolutely nuked down. It was crazy. The damn candle went off my chart. So I just started trimming. I was just looking at the tape. For a while there in the recording, you couldn't even see the candle on the chart. So I was just there looking at the tape, trimming on that. Then I was able to move the chart up here a little bit and see where we were. We just got to the bottom of this zone right here, literally just bottom ticked it like that and started rejecting. And then I just went all out. And that's where I called it a day after that. So we're 2 for 3 for the day. Big win, small loss. That's how we do it a stock method. It's kind of the blueprint we go by. That's exactly what happened with Lander today. A couple small losses and then a fat win. That's how we do it. Risk to rewards on point over here at stock method. If you want to live trade with us just like this every day, links in description. We'll catch you guys later.